Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 19th of March in the year 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.89. Now let's examine the stock's performance over this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.08% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This results in an average loss of 0.03% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline within this trend is likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of over 42% to just over 11%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of approximately 86%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between around 52% and just over 242% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $463.49 and $1,040.21. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained approximately 0.639% on the last trading day, Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, rising from $302.07 to $304. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.47%, with a low of $293.05 and a high of $306.15. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 5.86% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 7 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 22 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.570 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $543, while the lowest was $101. Currently, the price is 44.01%, or $239, below the 52-week high of $543, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, traded under the symbol MSTR, has recently announced the pricing of its offering of 8.5 million shares of 10% Series A perpetual Strife preferred stock at $85 per share, set to settle on March 25, 2025. This move is expected to generate significant net proceeds, enhancing the company's capital structure. The issuance of preferred stock represents a strategic play, allowing MicroStrategy to channel more Bitcoin through its operations, potentially increasing its market capitalization significantly over the next decade, as it positions itself as a leader in Bitcoin-backed securities. In the short term, investors may respond positively to the yield of more than 10% associated with this preferred stock offering, which could attract income-focused investors seeking potentially higher returns amidst Bitcoin's volatility. This tactical shift may foster confidence in MicroStrategy's evolving role in the cryptocurrency space and its applications in artificial intelligence, potentially boosting the stock's attractiveness and volatility in the market. Long-term, the company's focus on Bitcoin and artificial intelligence integration is vital. Analysts are optimistic, projecting substantial growth in MSTR's market capitalization as it improves operational efficiency through technology investments while leveraging Bitcoin's market movements. Such developments could create a favorable environment for MicroStrategy's stock, enhancing its appeal and supporting a robust investment thesis as it navigates the dynamic landscape of cryptocurrency and technology. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point issued a buy rating for MSTR with an initialized recommendation. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTIG granted MSTR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG again rated MSTR as buy with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is currently above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, the stock may find support at $292.64 and $299.13. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The rising volume accompanying the price is considered a favorable technical indicator. On the other hand, some negative signals have emerged that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 0.0756%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 19 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 37 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflects a buy signal from 17 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 250.92 and 250.51. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at 250.92. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at 250.51 and 239.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 13.10 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.47%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.95%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and could pose bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.0233. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $308.55. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to think about swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated faces its first support level at $250.92. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as an ideal entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Kang Andrew conducted an insider purchase of 8,284 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Kang Andrew also made an insider purchase of 4,359 shares of employee stock options, which grant the right to buy. Additionally, on that day, Kang Andrew purchased 3,313 shares of performance stock units. Still on the 11th of March, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider purchase of 3,148 shares of restricted stock units. On the same date, Xiao Wei Ming made an insider purchase of 7,621 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 18.410. In total, insiders bought 424,365 shares and sold 650,438 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $292.49, reflecting a decline of 3.79%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated holds several positive signals. However, we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may either hold their positions or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems determine that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open lower by $2.93, initiating trading at $301.07. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise consulting with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decision. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.